Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. So currently, as you can see that I have a professional Instagram account and this is a business account. And if I want to convert it back to a private account, then what you can do is click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you have clicked here and it opens the settings and activity tab for you, you need to scroll down until you see this option which says account privacy. So in the account privacy, you need to click here and click on this private account toggle. So once you click on it, you can see that it will ask you for a confirmation to switch back to a private account. All you need to do is click on the switch to private button at the bottom, and you can see that business account can't be private, so you can click OK. So it is asking for us to disable a professional account. So in order to do this, what we can do is that we will be turning off our professional account. So let's see how to do this. So in order to disable your professional accounts, you need to click on this business tools and controls right here, and then once you are here, you can see this option which says switch account type. Click here and then click on the switch to personal account, and once you have done that, just confirm it and just wait for the process to happen, as you can see. And once this process is complete, you can now again go back to account privacy and then turn on this toggle and click on the switch to private button, and here you can see that your account is now private. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.